Hey everyone, in this video we will be testing ChatGPT's O1 model to convert our screenshot into fully functionable code. So I'll be doing this both for HTML CSS along with React.js. So let's get started. So I am having the ChatGPT Plus subscription, and if I go and change the model, I'll be having here O1, which is the most powerful model in ChatGPT Plus. So I'll just select this, and here I'm going to upload my first login screen. This is the picture that I'm going to upload, pretty straightforward, and let's see what it gives us the output. So I'll just go here, upload, and choose it, and this is going to be my prompt. Give me a code for HTML and CSS in a single HTML file along with maintaining the color as well as theme of the image. So I will just run this. So let me just copy this and go to my HTML file, remove the old code and paste it. So it's about 167 lines of code. Saving it, and just relaunch the server. So this is the output that I get. So this is not bad, to be honest, but this is the image. So it has put the gradient not on the login screen but has given it on the background instead, and we are having here a different style of the ID as well as the password, and we are having the icons also in different colors. So that's not bad, to be honest, because it has done the most of work. This is kind of like an 80% accuracy, I would say. So now let's see what it can generate the exact same image in React.js. So I'll just go here and just re-upload the same thing. This is the prompt. Give me the code for this in React.js in a single app.js file and maintain the icons as well as color. So it has given me the app.js file over here. So I'll just copy this, and already my React application is running. So I'll just go here, source app.js, just fully remove this and paste it, saving it. No errors. And if I go to my React app, so this is what I get. So we can see it has come out a bit, but I won't blame it, to be honest. But this looks not that bad, and it looks exactly similar to the HTML output. Okay, we have given the color gradient inside the login screen, but it has given it outside over here. I don't know why that's happening, but apart from that, it has given the icons. It has taken the icons from the internet, so and the sign in and the other feature. So not bad at the end of the day, but not the best, to be honest, like an 70 to 80% of accuracy. Now let's go with another image. We have this website thing. We have this big website thing, and I'm pretty sure it's not going to generate these images. Okay, let's see what it can generate apart from these three images. So I'll just go, and first, as usual, we'll be going with HTML and CSS. So I'll just upload the image, go up, and just copy paste. Just copy the code, go to my HTML file, paste it, save it, and if I go here to my new.html, so that looks good. That's not bad at all, to be honest, and it hasn't got the image. So I'll just show you the image. So this is how it looks. We aren't having the logo, that's fine, but we have got the headings, sign up, sign in, and we have got the color also perfectly, experience a fresh way, that's right, and we're having the sign up, and as I told you, it hasn't given us the logo as well as this particular image over here, but that's quite fast, to be honest, and we just need to replace this particular places with the image. So exactly the same, like we are having a 70 to 80% of accuracy. It hasn't generated the footer, this area over there. So let's go with the exact same image in React.js now. Go to my React app, and we have got a similar output when compared to the HTML and CSS. I don't see any difference at all over here. We're just having a placeholder which is gray in color, and apart from that, both the responses are alike. So that's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.